Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now by creating a controlled baseline, move both devices within 1 to 3 meters, and test connectivity. Once done, disable nearby 4 GHz Wi-Fi or noisy appliances because they cause interference. Make sure both batteries are at least 50% and set the peripheral to discoverable. You'll perform this simple verification to separate hardware issues from environmental ones. It's fast, and it prevents wasted steps later. Continue only after a reliable short-range connection is confirmed. Now you optimize both software and physical setup. Update device firmware and PC drivers to ensure radio efficiency. Outdated stacks drop packets. Then change placement. Lift antennas, angle them, and remove metal or concrete between devices because line of sight matters. If you need more reach, use Bluetooth 5 or higher devices, or plug in a Class 1 USB dongle. They increase transmit power and sensitivity. You'll test after each change to measure improvement and avoid changing multiple variables at once. Finish by cleaning paired device lists and repairing the problematic device to clear corrupted link keys. This often restores range. Enable higher performance Bluetooth profiles if available, and lower audio codec complexity only if stability improves. Make sure to retest at the target distance and note progress. If issues persist, use one key troubleshooting trick. Swap components, try a different phone, headset, or dongle to isolate the faulty unit. Once identified, replace or update that component to resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.